Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video on this channel. I think it's been almost 6 months now since I made an upload. Well, I've been very busy with a lot of things. So I thought about updating the new exhaust that I just put in the car. It's an HKS exhaust system. So this car currently is still running. It's still running the stock 1JZ downpipe, twin turbo downpipe. So that should be about 2.5 inches downpipe. So it's not it's not a good size for this engine, but because I have plans to upgrade it to single turbos, I didn't want to change the downpipe yet, because there's no point of making the downpipe and then I have to make it again when I switch over to single turbo. So I just left the twin turbo downpipe, which is I think 2.5 inches. So you can see the exhaust system runs right from the downpipe to the muffler. So that's 3 inches exhaust system. I'm quite conflicted with this, with the sound of this new muffler, because the muffler it sounds good. Don't get me wrong, it sounds really good. It sounds awesome. It's pretty loud, but it drones when I drive the car. It drones like crazy. I'm not sure whether it has anything to do particularly with the E46, with E46 models, that for some reason I have my friends that use similar exhaust system and it doesn't drone inside the car. But this particular car drones like crazy. Maybe it is a 1J thing. Probably it is the way the car is structured inside that makes it to drone. So, but I might be switching up the muffler later. I'm planning to get Armytrix valvetronic exhaust muffler. So I think I might have to run that. So the valvetronic system allows me to keep the car quiet when I want it to be quiet, and I'll make it loud when I want it to be loud, so I can control it through the valve system. So yeah, that's pretty much the major upgrade on the car for now, and of course the new rims that I put on the car as well. So I just changed the rims. It's still 18 inches, but the rims are a little bit wider than before. So now it's I think 8.5 in front and 9 at the back. So I can run slightly bigger tires at the back right now. So that's pretty much it. I've not really had time to do anything in this car so far. Although I've been I've bought a few things that I will probably show up in the next video. I've bought a few things that I want to that will help us to make this car single turbo eventually. Yeah, but for now I think the exhaust system is the major thing. So I'll put up the sound for the exhaust system now, so you guys can listen to it and tell me what you think about it. Sounds pretty good, but it drones a lot. So I'm thinking of switching it out, but let me know what you think. If you like this video, if you like seeing contents on 1JZ, on E46, you can consider subscribing to this channel, because I'll be uploading I'll try to upload a little bit more frequently and try to talk about the problems that I'm having with the car or the upgrades that I'm making to the car. Sorry about that noise. So yeah, so I'll be doing more. I'll be putting up more videos hopefully, and I'll be talking about a lot of things regarding to the upgrades, or if there's any issues I'm having with the car. Those kind of things I'll be discussing in the next video. So, but I think my next video will be most likely switching up this muffler, getting a valvetronic exhaust system that allows me to make some noise when I want to, or just quieten the car. As you can see, the car drones, the muffler drones like crazy, man. Can you hear that? Just about 2000 RPM, 2200 RPM, it just drones. It's almost impossible to use this car on a daily basis because I drive this every day. So I wanted something that's I can make it quiet when I want to make it quiet, or if I'm feeling to drive fast, I can drive fast as well. This muffler doesn't do it for me right now. It's just loud the whole time. And it drones really loud. But so far so good. It sounds pretty good, but it just doesn't. It's just not very friendly for everyday driving.